So we ain't gonna do the regular intro today because I'm really excited right now, and also we got 5 minutes to film this before our special guest comes over. Excuse my voice too, I still have a frog in my dick. 5 minutes ago, I called up the man y'all know as cameraman Ian. Literally the biggest nerd, the nicest dude, and the cringiest guy in the world. Now as always, I'm like, Ian, man, could you come over and film a video with me? And he never really asks like, hey, what are we filming? He just comes over. He does his duty, I love him for it. However, today, he's gonna walk in the door and I'm gonna be like, dude, I think you need a makeover. Because lately he's been hitting me up saying, name brand, I want to come to the club with you sometimes. I'm usually out drinking and stuff like that. And he's like, I really want to find a girl. And me being the lovely dude I am, I want him to have his first kiss. And I want to help him with that by turning him into the biggest Hypebeast douchebag I can today. I know BLAZENDARY, I think, has done a video like this before, or at least the title I've seen. I haven't watched it. I think it was like turning a nerd into a Hypebeast, which is what we're actually doing today. However, knowing name brand, it's going to be something totally different. And we're probably going to say fuck a few more times. So I'm not trying to copy him, but when you guys see this dude, or if you already know this dude, you know it had to be done. And with that, we're gonna go catch up with him. Actually, real quick, I can't remember if I've said this on a video. I apologize if I haven't, I forgot. But I actually got a second one of these water bottles, and I want to give one of them to you guys. I think I said this, but I can't remember, so I don't want to do the giveaway without knowing for sure. If you guys want one of these water bottles, it's not worth me reselling for like $100 if I can just give it away to one of you guys. If you guys want to win it, all you guys got to do is leave a thumbs up down below, hit the notification button. I'm going to be checking. Also, my Instagram's right here. Leave a comment down below. Good luck to the winner on this. I will probably pick next week or tomorrow. I don't even know. Good luck. What's up, buddy?
Oh.
How you doing? You good? Long time no see. I have a proposal for today's video. What do you say we find you a girl, possibly get you laid? Go.
Really? Like, really?
Really? Yeah.
Like you're serious? Like, you think you can do that?
I didn't actually like call a hooker or anything, but I think that we can just make it happen.
Oh, okay, that's cool. Like, what do you have in mind?
We gotta make you look like less of a loser, first off, you know what I mean? Because just like, you got a fucking cat shirt on, bro. Your jeans look shitty and your shoes are awful and your face, can't do much about that, but hey, I'm just joking, I'm just joking, but yeah, we're gonna have to clean you up a little bit.
Sure, yeah, let's do it then, yeah.
Sweet, alright.
I think that'd be a good, hey, when you said there was something wrong with my face, what did you mean exactly? Like, why can't we fix it?
No, dude, you know I say things for the camera. I'm just screwing around.
Okay, it's just sometimes it really feels like you mean it though, like just the way you. Are you filming this?
Stop.
Like, what the hell? Come on, man.
Ian, if you're gonna be okay with this video, you gotta be okay with the filming. You know what I mean?
Would you have to film every single moment though?
Yeah, because you're honestly the biggest character I've ever met. You just need a little work if you want to get laid. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
And your face is fine. It was just a goof. Alright boys, this is the part where we take Ian through the house and show him his options here. So Ian, half the jackets are mine, half are Sarah's. We got a Supreme fur coat, we got shoes that say I'm drunk. We got some Louis Vuittons here, we got a bunch of jackets. That'll be last though.
Okay, yeah.
Lots of options, right?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. And if you're lucky, you can wear this douchey chain of mine.
Is douchey good?
Yeah, it's good. That's a good thing. Girls really like douchey. So, if you're okay with it, we might go to the mall later and like try to pick up some girls. And they love when you say fuck a lot and just like compliment their breasts and stuff like that.
Okay,
so we got
like,
a bunch of hoodies here. You know, this is cool. 10 deep. Football jersey, kind of dope. This is like a style that you could work with. Something that's like not exactly you. You know what I'm saying?
So you think my best bet is to go it's not me, basically?
Yes. Like at least dress. You can act like yourself, just like a little more douchey. Yeah, just compliment breasts. I mean, if you want to go the stoner route, it's just like a little bit of a spin. You like bears, clearly you like hunting and stuff like that. This might be not so far out of your comfort zone where you're gonna be acting like a pussy bitch the whole time. So that's another option.
Wait, what?
Here's a plaid right here. This is something a little crazy. I could see you in this. You see this right here? It's got some stuff on the back. It says live your dream. So maybe we'll smoke a cigarette later or something like that. We gotta go with the roll if we're gonna pick up a girl after this, okay?
Okay.
Next up, what else we got here? We could even go a little muscle shirt action, you know, with a hood. These are just some options here, but I really want to take you into the real hypebeast shit.
Hey, I kind of like this one. This one looks pretty cool.
What's that? You're not wearing that.
What?
You're not wearing that.
Why not? That's.
It's not mine.
Isn't.
If you want to wear merch, you wear mine.
Okay, it's just a really nice shirt.
Yeah, it's a nice color. Mine is probably better, so we'll just stay away from that for now.
Okay.
I don't want you wearing it. And last up, bro, we have all this stuff right here. We have more clothing, but this is some stuff that I think will make you look a little bit more hype. You know what? Yeah. Before we dress you up, how about we sit you down? This is gonna be like a documentary style, but we sit you down, see where your head's at. See what you're feeling comfortable with. Let's sit down and see what you're trying to get out of this.
Okay.
Sound good?
Okay, yeah.
Alright, boys, so he's just at the table right now. We're gonna have a little talk. Just remember in this video, I'm just effing with him a little bit. I'm not actually a dick. I just just having a little fun with him. Then he's gonna have a good surprise at the end. I didn't purchase. Well, you'll figure it out. So what do you feel about like what you saw in there? There's some like cool stuff. I think you can really rock a lot of it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I think so.
Were you more drawn to like the Supreme or like, you know what? Let's take the tripod right here. Let's sit down. Because I really want to like hit you with some emotion. You know what I'm saying? Like I want you to feel good with what you're wearing.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
I mean, you're sure I can't wear that purple shirt? I really like that one. So
No, you're not wearing the shirt. No,
really?
that one. Not that one because it's my video. Kind of awkward that you'd even ask that again because I just explained to you. Anyway,
I'm sorry.
there's a bunch of Supreme in that room, bro. I want to hook you up with a Supreme box logo. I think that's one way to go. What's your relationship status like right now?
Well, I'm single. I mean,
Single. Have you ever kissed a girl? Because I said on camera you didn't, but I can't remember.
You said that on camera?
Yes. But I assumed because last time I heard you hadn't ever.
Well, you assumed wrong.
You've kissed a girl.
Yeah.
No. When was this, Ian?
Well,
You can't even look me in the eye. Look me in the eye and say it. Have you?
Well,
you can't do it. You're still not. You're trying to read through you right now, and I just see a whole bunch of lies.
okay. Well, it's not a lie. I mean, mom counts, right? Right?
I'm sorry. Alright, man, so I think we got enough info. Me and the boys are gonna go in there, pick out some stuff. You're gonna stay out here, then we're gonna transform you into a Hypebeast. You know what I'm saying? Into something really, really dope. Yeah. And last piece, for whatever reason, I'll take these ones right here. Literally though, after this video, I actually buy him some cool clothing. He actually will get laid. For now, we're just gonna have a little fun with this. I think it won't be looking too bad. It'll look a little funny though. Alright, Ian, you ready? Let's go over to the table over here. This is your outfit. First off, the kicks. What do you think about those? I went for the boots. You're kind of a boot dude. You trapped around in the snow.
These are pretty sick.
Yeah, those are sick, eh?
Yeah, that's sweet. I like it.
Yeah, those are Adidas. Cool. They're Adidas tubular boots, these are called.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Really good on
a tubular boot. That's
a tubular boot.
I don't know what that means, but it must be good. It's good, right?
It's really sick, exactly. We got a hat right here, Supreme hats. This thing's about $100 bucks. 80
wow,
to 100.
Man, that's ballin'. That's sweet.
Yeah, it looks good, eh?
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
Exactly. Yeah, it's cool.
So we have the world famous right here Supreme hat mesh. What's the mesh? Because it kind of gives you like a sporty style. You know what I'm saying? Ball out.
Dribble the balls. Yeah,
exactly, man. Gonna find a girl with that. Yeah. Next up, we got these really sick pants for you. You're gonna have to try them on. I think they'll fit. Yeah, we got a pinstripe right here. That's kind of cool.
Okay. Yeah.
And they're pink. They gotta give you like a grungy look, you know what I'm saying? Like a girl's gonna be like, hey, looks like he fucks, you know what I'm saying? Like it looks like he knows what he's doing with paint. Cause kind of custom or whatever.
Yeah, that's hype. Yeah, I like it.
What do you think so far?
Yeah, it's pretty cool, man.
Yeah, I think these will go kind of well.
I could see this working.
Yeah.
Like this could totally work.
Are you kind of feeling confidence right now or what?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, exactly. This right here is a $500 hoodie. I don't know if you've ever put one of those on.
No, that's a lot of money. That's
Supreme, Fox logo. Legit checks by the man himself. And I think that'll be a nice little topper right there.
Okay, yeah. I think that'll work good.
Hey, man, I appreciate that you like the work. You wanna go try it on now?
Yeah.
Let's do it, boys.
Let's do it. Let's do this thing.
Go. Yeah. We can't wait.
Alright, I'm done.
Done? Here we go, boys. See the man. Oh my God, bruh. you look really good. Yeah.
I know. This is awesome. I like this.
Yeah, man. Look at you go.
Yeah. This is totally gonna get me chicks, right?
Yeah. For sure.
Awesome. Yeah. I like it. I like this.
You do. Yeah. Look at your face. I actually haven't seen you bubbly. Look at you. I wish those were a little skinnier, the pants, but because those are in style, of course. The shoes look good. Step out into the light, bro. This is some crazy stuff. Oh, wow. I ain't never seen you like this before. All right, show the boys, man. This looks amazing. Look at this dude.
This is sweet. This is...
Yeah.
Should I like turn around?
Yeah, turn around. Do like a spin or something. Yeah. So sick.
This is cool.
Yeah. Do you feel more manly or like how you feeling?
Yeah, I feel hype, man. This like...
You feel hype? Exactly.
I don't think I knew what that meant until I put this on. This is like...
You kind of feel like a Hypebeast. It kind of like goes with the wording, right? Yeah. Like, pull up the hat a little bit. It looks like it's a little tight on you.
Yeah.
Oh wow, you can hardly take it off.
It's a little painful.
There you go. Oh yeah, man. You're looking gnarly. Yeah. So, you feel good?
Yeah.
Yeah? One word, describe it.
Hype?
Hype. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sick. Alright boys, down below I want you guys to let me know how Ian looks. He just got a Hypebeast makeover. I'm not gonna lie, Ian. I was gonna kind of screw with you a little bit, kind of give you kind of a goofy outfit just to like make a funny video. But I actually didn't. Like I think it does not look bad. You know what I'm saying? Do you want to go pick up some girls now?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, let's do it. So what Ian doesn't know, boys, he's in the washroom right now. We're actually not gonna go to a mall to pick up girls. I just wanted to get his confidence and kind of like up and running a little bit, trying to get himself ready to talk to a girl. I got a little surprise for him that I haven't told you guys yet, or him. He's just in the washroom. So Ian, I have a guest at the door. You just heard a knock. This is for you. I'm not gonna say much more. It's my friend, and I want you to meet her. Okay?
Her?
It's a big surprise for you, but I got you.
Okay.
Kathy, how's it going?
Hey.
This is Ian.
Hi, Ian.
Hi.
Ian?
This.
Hey.
Hey,
Love you, buddy. There you go. And you know what I'm trying to say right now without saying it. No more, no questions, man. It's all Gucci. I got you.
What are you trying to say?
Have fun.